Exhaling, bending forward, go into Padahastasana, keeping focus on Muladhara or root chakra. Taking left leg back with slow and deep inhalation, move into Ashwasanchalasana, focusing on Agya or third eye chakra. Now retaining breath, move into plank position, maintaining focus on Vishuddhi or throat chakra. Keeping focus on Swadhisthana chakra. With slow and deep inhalation, move into Bhujangasana, keeping focus on Muladhara or root chakra.
Your heart backward, chest backward. Legs together. Together. Snake is only one tail. Chipka in it. Let.
Exhaling, go into Adho Mukha Svanasana or mountain pose, focusing on Vishuddhi chakra. Taking left leg forward with slow and deep inhalation, move into Ashwasanchalasana, focusing. Inhaling, go into Hasta Uttanasana, focusing on Vishuddhi or throat chakra. Ekadasa. Breathing normally. Or third eye chakra. Exhaling, go into Padahastasana, focusing on Muladhara. Taking your left leg up, breathing normal, keep maintaining focus on Anahata or heart chakra. Dwadasa. assimilate all the energy and to channel it throughout the entire system. Release any effort in the breath and let it flow. Let the body you can hold on to that nice
Yeah. So my name is Dr. Rajesh Sarvadne. I am a founder of Vivekanand Youth Connect Foundation, and I am here on Juhu Beach. And
Doing a lot of social activity.
I watch Himanshu Mehta. He is a yoga guru of Juhu Beach. We do International Day of Yoga under his guidance since 3 years, and he is really a really passionate, enthusiastic, aspiring global health leader. And I am watching him since at least 15 years. He's doing yoga, he's doing aerobics, he's doing everything which can inspire the people coming to Juhu Beach to do something for their own health, for their own benefit. And this 108 Surya Namaskar, the initiative by Himanshu Mehta, Yoga Guru Himanshu Mehta, is really inspiring the communities and really inspiring the people across Mumbai region. And I wish him all the best, and I thank him from bottom
Thank
of
you
my
so much.
heart for inspiring us.
Come look.
Myself Vijay, and this is the second day. So anyway, we are very thankful to our Himanshu for getting such an experience. And another thing is, actually we used to do Surya Namaskar and all earlier also, but in a professional way and in a very energetic way we are doing first time only. So this keep the entire day very energetic, and we will not have any bad things or anything or bad thoughts, and also the entire day will be very energetic, and it's a very good experience and a very good
Great experience I'm enjoying.
Yeah. You can. Okay.
We are thankful to the entire team.
Oh, very welcome. Okay.
My name is Nimisha and I am the youngest one here.
So far the youngest.
Yeah.
So far.
We are all young at heart.
yeah, from that, yeah.
Okay.
So I really wanted to do Surya Namaskar from quite a long time, but I was not able to do because not a good guide. I didn't get a good guide anywhere. This was really energizing, and I didn't expect myself that I would do something. So this was a great experience, and
So
thank
you
you.
find it challenging?
Yeah, very challenging,
Okay.
but now I'm
So-
getting used to
Good.
it. So yeah,
Good.
thank you so much.
So it's not for the old people, it's also for the
It's
young
for the
people.
younger generation.
Yeah, okay.
હું મયુર ધ્રુવ રાજેશ શાહ અને અમે લોકો ફર્સ્ટ ટાઈમ અહીંયાથી બીચ પર નીકળેલા અને જસ્ટ અમે સરને જોયા ત્યાં એટલે સર તરીકે નહોતા ઓળખતા પણ સરને જોયા કરતા તો અમે જ્યારે ઇમ્પ્રેસ થઈ ગયા મેં ચાલ જ્યારે પૂછીએ અને એ કરતાં કરતાં અમે સર સાથે એવી રીતે જોડાઈ ગયા કે અમને ખબર જ નહીં પડી કે અમે સૂર્ય નમસ્કાર કેવી રીતે અને ફ્લેક્સિબિલિટી એટલી વધી ગઈ બોડીમાં કે સ્પોર્ટ્સ એક્ટિવિટી કે કોઈ પણ મેરેથોન કે અમે ખુશીથી કરી શકીએ છીએ પણ 21 કિલોમીટર્સ તો લગભગ અમે આમ રમતા રમતા કરી નાખ્યું છે
2 વર્ષ પૂરા થઈ ગયા.
અને ઓલમોસ્ટ વી હેવ કમ્પ્લીટેડ 6 મેરેથોન્સ
Okay.
Wow.
And
Up
how
till
many
now.
Surya Namaskar maximum you have done? 151 ke 108? કેટલા કર્યા?
151.
151 in 62 minutes.
Yes, 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 yes.
Good. Okay.
Okay.
And my wife Minu. We just joined 2 days back only, just last 2 weeks back. But it was an excellent experience for us. We never thought that it will be that good because we used to come for walk here on the beach for last so many years. We used to see Himanshu bhai giving training to Surya Namaskars to so many people. But we thought it was quite tough and we won't be able to do it. But now we feel no, it's not so tough. And I think I am not my fit body for this particular job, but I am trying to take his advice and do as much as possible. for
Yeah, you are
myself.
doing great. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome.
Brajesh Goyal, and sir has been my business associate and he's been very inspiring and really एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा मोटिवेशन मिलता है सवेरे सुबह उठ के आने के लिए एंड डूइंग दिस थिंग इज़ आई बीन अ वेरी स्टिफ बॉडी ग्रेजुअली फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी आ रही है एंड प्रोबेबली इट विल बी वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग्स दैट आई हैव बीन डूइंग all throughout right now.
Great.
Hi, I'm Prashant Chauhan. I just met Mr. Himanshu Mehta in the yoga park a month ago. And like a law of attraction, we spoke and saw him doing a beautiful
Crazy
workout region. Beautiful, I said not crazy. I will give a nice word for it.
Okay.
It is really beautiful. And to be part of this 10 Surya Namaskar is wonderful. I'm just enjoying it.
Yeah.
It really helps. I'm a stiff body as well, and to get into something like this helps me to stretch myself, be more flexible, and I'm enjoying it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
मैं वैसे तो 5-6 साल से जू पे घूमता ही हूँ और 2-3 कोच को भी मैं अंडर में मैं कोशिश किया, ट्राई किया, मगर वहाँ पर बॉडी का कुछ मज़ा नहीं आया। एक्सरसाइज करने का मज़ा देख एकदम टायर्ड कर लेते थे और घर पे जाके सो जाने का, कुछ काम ही नहीं करने का। मैं यहाँ से जब से मैं हिमांशु भाई के साथ में 2 साल से लगा हूँ, जॉइंट हुआ हूँ, मगर पता भी नहीं चलता है। घर पे जाके एक्सरसाइज करने के बाद अपना बिजनेस में भी अच्छा रहता है और बॉडी एकदम हम फिट रहती है। सुबह शाम जोश में रहते हैं, अब सुस्ती आती ही नहीं।
मैं सर से एक साल हुआ सर हमको मिले हुए, पर सही मायने में सूर्य नमस्कार है, सूर्य नमस्कार क्या है वो सर ने सिखाया विथ चक्रास, विथ मंत्रास और विथ मेडिटेशन के साथ। मेरा थ्रोट प्रॉब्लम था, गले में कुछ प्रॉब्लम था, पर कब वो ये सूर्य नमस्कार और ये चक्रास और मंत्रास के साथ वो चला गया मुझे मालूम ही नहीं है। और हमने 151 सूर्य नमस्कार सर के साथ किया और सर ने बहुत अच्छी प्रैक्टिस कराई। वो हमने ऐसे इजीली किया कि जैसे प्राउड फील हो रहा है।
Easy.
So good, sir.
Great.
Thank you,
Great.
sir.
Welcome. Come, Meera.
We are coming to this Surya Namaskar. Now I think it is almost 2 years. We are completing 2 years now. It just started while my brother told me to come and just have one class.
One session.
Yeah, one session. We were not very keen, but we tried. But that session was so good. And today also.
You got addicted.
Yes, we got addicted.
Okay, good.
And when we are going out of country, we make sure that we do it at least 2 to 3 times in a week.
Yeah,
very
you
religious.
send the videos of you doing in Canada, right?
So,
That's great.
Because it is a combination of 12 asanas and in a very slow rhythmic way with all mantras. So it is really calming the mind also and making our body more and more flexible every day.
And as
We
a
thank Himanshu Bhai for his selfless service to the society.
as a fellow businessman, entrepreneur, whatever you say, apart from being a very particular in business, he is so particular about the health and the well-being of an individual, and he is so punctual. The important part, a businessman is normally not punctual because he is committed to many things. But Himanshu sir, 6:10 means 6:10. Come what may, even if there is a storm, he is there. Yes. he's
Rain or shine, Surya Namaskar is fine, huh?
Surya Namaskar is fine. Yes, and that is the inspiration I am getting from him, because we are practically the same age, right?
And I have posted this Surya Namaskar to my daughter and my son-in-law, who are very much interested to do this. So they are doing overseas the same mantras, and they are also enjoying it.
And this, it's, I think what I marked is the 54-minute cycle, 4.5 minutes each cycle.
Yeah.
And then the Bastrika, and then the Shavasana and all, and the speech, the music, it's rhythmatic so much that, believe me, we look forward to each Saturday 6:10.
Yes.
Whatever it is, but 6:10 is 6:10.
and I wish sir.
Whatever it takes.
Yeah, whatever it takes.
Good.
And I wish
That's
sir
the spirit. That's the
that
spirit.
not hundreds but thousands should join him and make it a great movement. Great movement.
Great, great.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
लास्ट सैटरडे में ऐसा ही मैं इंडिविजुअल करा था, तो ये साहब मेरे को मिले, उन्होंने बोला कि हमारे प्रॉपर गार्डन्स के अंदर में सूर्य नमस्कार होता है, आप सैटरडे आ जाओ, तो मैं आज आ गया। थैंक यू सर।
और वेलकम। कैसा लगा आपको?
बहुत अच्छा लगा।
अच्छा लगा?
प्रॉपर गार्डन्स
कोई डिफिकल्ट वगैरह कुछ नहीं है, आराम से कर सकते हैं और एकदम शांति।
यस सर,
थैंक यू। ग्रेट।
Well, I've always been watching him on the beach, the English on the beach.
Whatever.
And I was always attracted towards it, but weekends I used to be out of town. But abhi I'm making conscious effort to be here and be with him on Saturdays by 6:10. और इतना अच्छा लग रहा है सच्ची में। Only once I've done 108 सूर्य नमस्कार when we were doing अहिंसा festival. और उसके बाद ये जो हम स्लोली जो कर रहे हैं ना, वो बहुत पूरे बॉडी को इतना स्ट्रेच और फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी मिल रहा है कि आई एम रियली एंजॉइंग इट एंड आई लव योर सेल्फलेस सर्विस एंड योर स्माइलिंग फेस। थैंक यू।
वेलकम। कम
मेरी सर के साथ 1 साल से सूर्य नमस्कार कर रही हूँ। बहुत ही हेल्दी फील होता है, बहुत फ्रेश फील होता है और इतना इजी हो गया कि अभी 150 भी बहुत इजीली कर लिया और हर संडे 108 करते हैं।
Excellent. You yourself are a yoga teacher. Right. Great. Come.
मैं 3 साल से कर रही हूँ सूर्य नमस्कार एंड सूर्य नमस्कार करके मेरा बहुत फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी बढ़ गया है। जो मैं पहला करती थी और अभी करती है, इसमें बहुत कुछ फ़र्क मिल गया है मुझे। और मुझे इधर आने के लिए अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि ये हमारा एक फैमिली हो गया है। मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि एक ग्रुप है करके, दिस इज अ फैमिली, दिस इज माय सेकंड फैमिली। आई एंजॉय अ लॉट।
Yeah. Sushma is a blessing to the whole group and blessing for me also.
Yes, मुझे खाली इधर आके खाली सर ही
I've been
नहीं
fortunate to be her brother now.
मुझे एक बेस्ट ब्रदर मिले हैं।
Thank you. Well,
अपना सर से 3 साल से रिश्ता है। मैंने ये सोचा नहीं था कि योगासन से इतना प्रॉफिट होगा। मैंने एक मंथ से अब स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ, तो मुझे बहुत बेटर फीलिंग हो रहा है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। ओके।
Yeah, Deepak.
Hi, I'm Deepak Mehta and I joined Sir in 2019 and since then I have been continuously doing this. Sometimes it's like on and off, but basically I try to do it continuously every Saturday and I find it very enriching and like very good for the body, for the whole body, and the best part is you get a meditation part in this form of Surya Namaskar. That is what I like the most. Thank you.
Deepak has been a blessing also for our group. He is the youngest active member और एक हिसाब से हमारे मीडिया डायरेक्टर है। सारा मीडिया जो है वही कवर अप कर रहे हैं फिलहाल एंड इज़ ऑलवेज अ हेल्पिंग हैंड। सो इट्स बिन लवली टू हैव हिम। और योगा उसने हमारे स्टार्ट ही किया और he won the first prize of Surya Namaskar. Yeah. And above all, it's wonderful for me to get connected. It's a spiritual connect with everybody. Okay. और ये जो environment है, it is a rare form of environment. Panch Mahabhut. All the 5 elements of cosmos is here. So that's the beauty of it and we enjoy doing it. Right? Earth, water, fire, ether, air, space, everything is here. So it's very rare spot and it's a lucky spot because we are in the center of the whole horseshoe shape of you can say the bay or canal. So we all enjoy and we are all on the same page, well connected. So there is no ego, there is no comparison, there is no kind of any negative aspects from anybody.
Yes.
Everybody coming with a positive mindset, so that's a beautiful experience and I would love to share all my experience to everybody. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.